I'm Peter Wright, Assistant Administrator for EPA's Office of Land and Emergency Management, and I'm pleased to recognize Cleaning Up America's Month in celebration of EPA's 50th anniversary. For half a century, EPA has been at work to protect America's environment, and we've no doubt come a long way since 1970. EPA was created as a result of public concern over the state of the environment, and subsequently Congress passed the Resource Conservation and Recovery Act, the Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation and Liability Act, and the Hazard and Solid Waste Amendments. Using this authority and mandate, EPA launched the Superfund, Underground Storage Tank, and Hazardous Waste Management programs, and then took the initiative to start the Brownfields program as well. These EPA programs serve as world leaders and examples for successful programs that ensure our land is safe and clean, and contaminated lands can be remediated and reused for the future. Most important, this work protects human health and the environment. For example, EPA's Superfund program helped transform a 17,000-acre former weapons and chemical manufacturing facility into the Rocky Mountain Arsenal National Wildlife Refuge near Denver, Colorado. Each year, nearly 500,000 people visit the refuge to see more than 330 different species of animals, including bisons. As a result of cleanups of about 1,000 Superfund sites that support reuse and redevelopment, in fiscal year 2019, more than 9,000 businesses generated over $58 billion in sales, employed more than 208,000 people around the country, equivalent to the population of Salt Lake City, Utah. Nationally, our Underground Storage Tanks program, in collaboration with our state partners, are on their way to complete 500,000 cleanups since the program started, cleaning up and protecting groundwater. Cleanup under the Resource Conservation and Recovery Act has helped communities reclaim contaminated land around the country, such as the Boeing Plant No. 2 located on the eastern bank of the Lower Duwamish Waterway in Seattle, Washington. This facility began in the late 1930s and became a major aircraft manufacturing facility during World War II. The cleanup plan has resulted in shoreline and habitat restoration, as well as water quality improvement. Cleanup under the Resource Conservation and Recovery Act program has cleaned up and restored 18 million acres of contaminated lands. Our Brownfields program promotes redevelopment efforts around the country and attracts additional investment dollars into communities, creating jobs and cleaning up land. Across the country to date, local investments through our Brownfields program have led to over 167,000 jobs in the construction, cleanup, and redevelopment fields. Recognizing the importance and value of food, we also work to support redirecting of excess food to feed people and animals or be used for composting and avoiding the landfill. This is why, in April 2019, with our partners at the U.S. Department of Agriculture and the Food and Drug Administration, we advanced the Winning on Reducing Food Waste initiative. Our Food Recovery Challenge awarded such organizations as MGM Resorts International and Sprouts Farmers Market, which have both publicly committed to reducing food loss and waste by 50% in their own operations by the year 2030. These are just a few highlights from EPA's Land Protection Program. As this month continues, I invite you to stay updated via our Twitter account, EPA Land, to learn more about core work EPA has completed over the past 50 years to keep our land safe. Thank you.